Most everyone knows how to turn documents into PDFs, PowerPoints, spreadsheets, Word documents, to file, save as, and then changing the file type to a PDF. This works really well for documents, but what if you want to save something that's not a document as a PDF? You can accomplish this by using the print to PDF feature. So if I'm on the internet, and perhaps I wanted to make a picture of my calendar to send to my boss as a PDF, what I would do is on my keyboard, I would hold down Control and hit P to open the print preview dialog box. This is what it's capturing. This is what it's asking me, do I want to print? I say, sure, I'm going to print this. And then the next dialog box that opens up, it's asking me, what do I want to print this? I actually want to print it. What I want to do is turn it to a PDF. So if I can print to PDF, when I say save, find out where I want to save it on my desktop is fine. It's going to save it as a document, which is a PDF. I'll say save, and then if I come here onto my desktop, I can PDF I can share with whoever I needed to. Of course, you could always accomplish this screenshot, but sometimes PDFs read a little bit